Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 Home Services project. In this video, we are going to learn about creating admin, service provider and customer authentication. So let's see how can we create authentication. Okay, so first of all, let's install the Jetstream package. So switch to the command prompt and for installing the Jetstream package, let's type here the command composer a space required a space Laravel / Jetstream. Alright, now press enter. Okay, package has been installed. Now let's install the Jetstream Livewire package. So for that, just write here the command php artisan Jetstream install Livewire. Alright, now press enter. Alright, now execute the command npm install and npm runtime. Okay, now press enter. Okay, now switch to the project and let's open the user migration. So just go inside the database directory, then migration, and from here let's open the create user table migration. Okay, this one, and inside this table let's add here new column. After this, just write here $table arrow data type string and column name new type. Okay, user type, and also add here the default value arrow default value, which is CST for customer. Okay, alright, now save this file. Now switch to the command prompt and let's migrate the migration. So just write here the command php artisan migrate. Alright, now press enter. Okay, migration complete. Now switch to the project and let's open the base layout file. Okay, so just go inside the resources directory and then views layouts, and from here let's open the base.blade.php file. Okay, and inside this file let's add here the login and registration link. Okay, this is the link for register, and here is the link for the login. Okay, so before this li just add here the condition if route : has login route. Okay, after this just close here and if, and inside this if directive also check here the user is authenticated or not. So right here auth @ and after this add here the else part and just close here. Okay, in if, and inside the else part let's cut this register and login link. Okay, so cut this and paste inside the else part. Okay, now change here the href. So just remove this and add here double curly bracket, then route, add here the route name, register, and for login select this, add here double curly bracket, route, and then write here login. Okay, and inside this part add if condition, if directive, if auth user arrow u type is equal to, if user u type is ADM, which is for admin, okay, then so here the admin link, okay, admin link here, and after this just add here the else part, else if auth colon user, if user u type is equal to SPP for service provider. Okay, so if u type is SVP, then show here the service provider link, service provider link. Okay, and else so here the customer link. Okay, after this just close here @endif. Alright, now let's copy this link, and for adding the admin links just select this and paste here, and change here the name, which is my account, and in bracket just write here admin. Okay, remove this and put here the hash sign. Okay, now after this just press enter and add here, let's copy this URL and paste here, change here the text, dashboard, admin dashboard. Okay, now remove this li and here change the text and write here logout. Okay, and remove this link, put hash sign, and here also. Okay, now let's copy this and paste inside the service provider link. Okay, here, and change here the text, simply write here as provider, service provider. Okay, now paste inside the customer link and change here the text and write here customer. Okay, for logout let's create here a form id is equal to logout dash form method post action, and here just write the action route logout. Alright, now inside this form just add here the @CSRF. Okay, now inside the logout just write here double curly bracket route and write here logout, and on click event default, then document dot get element by id, and inside this just pass here the form id logout dash form. Okay, then dot submit. Alright, now let's copy this line, and here just select this and just paste here. Okay, also change here. Alright, now save this file. Okay, now let's check this. So switch to the command prompt and first of all run the application. So just write here php artisan serve, press enter. Now switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, now just click on the login link, and here you can see the login page. Okay, go back and let's click on the register, and here is the registration page. Okay, let's register the 3 users, first for the admin, second for the service provider, and third user for the customer. Okay, so just write here the first name admin and email id, let's say admin @surfsidemedia.in. okay, password 1234567 and confirm password 1234567. okay, now click on register. Alright, now let's log out and register another user, service provider. Let's write here as provider, email id as provider @surfsidemedia.in and password 1234567 1234567. okay, now click on register. Alright, let's log out and let's register the third user, which is the customer. Let's simply write here customer, email id customer @surfsidemedia.in 1234567 password and confirm password. Right, now click on register. Okay, registration done. Now log out and let's open the database. So go to the php myadmin localhost /php myadmin, and from here let's open the database home services db, and from here let's browse the user table, and here you can see there are 3 users, admin, as provider and customer. Okay, let's change here the u type for the admin. This is the u type column. Okay, by default value is cst, so let's change here the u type for admin and just write here adm for admin, and here for service provider svp. Okay, and customer cst. This is good. Okay, all right. Now let's create the middleware. Okay, so switch to the command prompt, and here let's create the 2 middleware, one for the admin and another middleware for the service provider. Okay, so for creating the middleware, just write here the command php artisan make :middleware space middleware name. For admin, just write here the middleware name for admin. Okay, now press enter. Okay, middleware created. Now let's create the middleware for the service provider. So write here auth is provider. Okay, is provider. Now press enter. Middleware created. Now run the application. So write here php artisan serve. Alright, now switch to the project. and let's open the middleware. So just go inside the app directory, then http middleware, and from here let's open the this middleware auth admin. Okay, and inside the handle method, just right here, add here the condition if auth colon if auth, and also import here the auth. Okay, like this, auth colon user, and access the column u type is equal to adm, which is for admin. Then return this request, next request. Okay, otherwise in else part simply flash the session. So write here session arrow plus. Okay, and after this redirect on login page. Okay, so just write here return and redirect on just write here the route name, inside the route just write here login. Okay, redirect on login page. Alright, now just copy this and save this file and go to the auth service provider middleware. Okay, just open this file and inside the handle method just paste here. Okay, and change here the user type, which is SVP, and also import here the auth. Okay, let's copy this line and paste here. Okay, now save this file. Now let's open the kernel.php file. So inside the app directory http, you can see here the file which is kernel.php. Let's open this, and inside this file inside the route middleware, just right here after this add here auth admin arrow slash app slash http slash middleware slash auth admin. Okay, now also add here the class. Okay, colon class, then comma, and after this let's copy this line and paste here and change here the text auth is provider, auth is provider. Okay, and change here the middleware name, which is auth is provider. Okay, this one. Now save this file. Okay, now just go inside the providers directory, and from here let's open the route service provider. Okay, and here let's change here the home URL. So just remove this one, just remove dashboard and only add here the forward slash. Okay, and now save this file. Alright, now just close this file and let's create a 3 Livewire component. Okay, so switch to the command prompt and let's create the new component. So for creating new component, just type here the command php artisan make livewire a space directory name admin and component name admin dashboard component. Okay, this is for admin dashboard. Okay, now press enter. Now let's create the another component for the service provider. So right here php artisan make colon livewire a space directory name is provider slash component name is provider service provider. Okay, so is provider dashboard component. Now press enter. Created. Now create the component for the customer. So just change here the folder name, customer / component name, customer dashboard component. Alright, now press enter. Okay, now run the application. So write here PHP artisan serve. Alright, now switch to the project. Now let's open the dashboard class file. So just go inside the app directory http livewire and first open the admin dashboard component file. Okay, class file. So just open this and add here the layout name. So write here arrow layout, and inside this just write here the directory name, which is layouts dot layout file name, which is base. Okay, now let's copy this and open the customer dashboard file class file. Okay, this one, and just paste here the layout name, and now open the service provider dashboard component class file and also add here the layout. Okay, now save this file. Now let's open the view file. Okay, component view file. So from the resources directory, views, livewire, and first open the admin dashboard component view file, and here just remove this comment and add here the text admin dashboard. Okay, now let's open the customer dashboard component class file, and here inside the h1 tag just write here customer dashboard. Okay, and now in service provider dashboard just remove this and add here the text inside the h1 service provider dashboard. Okay, now save this. Alright, now let's create the route for this component. So let's open the web.php file. So just go inside the routes directory, and from here let's open the web.php file, and inside this file first of all let's copy this route and paste here 2 times. Okay, this is for customer. Add here the comment for customer, and this is for service provider, and third one which is for admin. Okay, now inside the service provider middleware route group just add here comma and add here the middleware name auth s provider. Okay, s provider, what was the name inside the kernel.php file, this one auth s provider. Okay, so let's copy this and paste here, and inside the admin just write here comma and let's copy this one or admin and paste here. Okay, now from here let's remove this route, and here let's create the route group. So just remove this and add here the arrow group, and inside this group add here the function. Okay, and Now inside this, let's create the route. Okay, so write here route colon get, add here the URI slash admin slash dashboard. Okay, now add here the component class name, which is admin dashboard component. Okay, colon class, and also provide the name admin dot dashboard. All right, now let's copy this, and inside the service provider route group, just remove this and paste here, and change here the class name is provider dashboard component. Okay, and also change here the name is provider dot dashboard. Okay, and also change here the URI service provider is provider. Okay, now for the customer, just remove this and paste here, and change here the name, route name customer dot dashboard, and here customer dashboard component, and also change the URI customer slash dashboard. Okay, now everything is done. Now save this file. Now go to the layout file and add this route name. So just go inside the layout directory and just open the base.blade.php file, and inside the admin menu, let's add here the dashboard link. Just write a double curly bracket, then route, and route name, which is admin dot dashboard. Okay, and for the service provider, double curly bracket, route is provider dot dashboard. Okay, and for the customer is not here, inside the dashboard. Okay, just write a double curly bracket, route customer dot dashboard. Alright, now save this file. Okay, now all done. So let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, now just click on login, and here let's log in with customer credentials. So write here the customer @surfsidemedia.in and add here the password 1234567 Okay, now click on login. Alright, this is the customer. Okay, customer menu, and if I click on dashboard, you can see here the customer dashboard. Okay, something missing. Switch to the project, and inside the layout file, base.blade.php file, okay, inside this form, let's add here the style and set the set here the display none. Okay, now save this file and switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, now it's looking good. Alright, now let's log out and log in with the service provider credentials. So click on login and add here the email ID is provider@surfsidemedia.in and password, and click on login. And here you can see the service provider page menu. Okay, and if I click on dashboard, you can see here the dashboard of service provider. Okay, now let's check the admin. So click on logout. Now click on login, and this time let's log in with the admin credential. Click on login, and here you can see the menu for the admin. Okay, and if I click on dashboard, you can see here the admin dashboard page. Alright, so in this way you can create admin service provider and customer authentication for the home services project. So that's all about creating admin service provider and customer authentication. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.